The wonders never cease. Where was I? I am so sorry, Allison. Never remember to tell you not about that someday. I sat there waiting in that cafe and never guessing that you were fat. That you were near, you were outside looking bold. Oh. Oh my. Dear friend, I am so sorry about last night. Last night, I was so nasty when I deserved it. I'm so bad, George. It's not like this, George. This is a new George that I don't know. Somehow, this all reminds me of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Right before my eyes, a man that I despise has turned into a man I like. It's almost like a dream, as strange as it may seem. It came to